Good morning. The best part of waking up is telling Beastie, giddy up. I crack myself up. Hey, good morning. It is early morning, and I've got my brand new merch. F-150s are so gangster. Yeah, I'm thoroughly enjoying this shirt. Shout out to Kia Designs. Um, as always, I'm going to put my link, her link out there. Did an excellent job. Even got my orange right. Loving it. So I'm doing this early in the morning because I'm going to work, but I also wanted to show how much brighter my dome light is. So guess what this video is about? How to replace your dome light in your F-150. Let's go ahead and get into it. Because we gangster around here, baby. Let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, the lights here, they're okay, but they just don't illuminate enough for me. Yeah, I'm not feeling them. And just like that, it's time to upgrade. Here we go. Okay, so again, this is for the F-150, the 2015. As you can see, there was no hardware required. These were all stuck together by clips, all around. Clips. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unhook these and take it on inside and switch out my LEDs. Okay, so we are back in the house. This is where the dome lights are. Boom, 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 boom. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them out from the inside. This is a torque bit screw. Now, for those of you all who do not know what a torque bit screw is, this is a torque bit screw, okay? Now, what that means is it's not a Phillips, it's not a flathead. It actually looks like, let's see if I can get it to focus. Let's see if I do it like this. Can I get it to focus? Okay, well, this is what a torque bit looks like. This is a 15, I believe. Nope, this is the T20. It's a T20. And goes in there and you unscrew it just like any other bolt or screw. You just simply unscrew it. Okay, now there's two of them, obviously, because there's two lights. So we're unscrewing both of these. I'm gonna put it down. Stay tuned for how to unscrew a screw or bolt. It's coming sometime in the near future. Okay. You know what? While I'm thinking about that, sometimes you gotta always remember, put your phone on Do Not Disturb. While I'm changing out these stock lights from the LED, I want to shout out F-150 LEDs. This packaging is nice. Excited about, the product. It comes just like so. These are the LED lights. Let's make it real famous, real snazzy looking. And what we're gonna do is I've already detached them Now each one of these lights, they slide into these little grooves here on both sides. So I've taken them out already just to make sure I look like I know what I'm doing on my own channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them off the rest of the way and replace the factory with the LEDs. Stay tuned. All right, so I want to show you exactly what I'm doing. You just want to get really in there. These are the old lights, okay? Now, what I'm doing is I'm taking the flathead screwdriver and I'm going in there and I'm just kind of massaging it out of these brackets. Now, I'm going to tell you, as I'm massaging these brackets, you like that word, massaging. What I'm doing is pulling it out without breaking anything. So I'm just kind of really just getting in there and without breaking anything, we're massaging it loose. Now, there's a reason why I'm massaging it loose, and I will let you know in just a few minutes. Okay, so this is the old factory light bulb. Okay, now, as you can see, this is where the light was, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of file all these little pieces down so that when I put the new light on, it's smooth. The beautiful thing about these is that I don't have to put them back on those clips. So it has tape on there. So I'm going to put it on there face down, light on the inside, and we'll go from there. Okay, now this is the new one, and I don't know if you can see that, but there is a gold strip on one side and the black on the other. Now the gold strip goes in face down into this little groove here, just like so. The beauty of this is that Ford F-150, they give you plenty of space to work with so that you can do this right the first time. So what you do, slide it on in there. There's a little tab right here. You lock it in place. Okay, it's locked in. Give it a small tug to make sure that it's in there. And you are secure. Okay, so the same thing goes for the other side. As I told you earlier, you smoothed out the surface because it is a sticky backing. So you remove the backing. Sometimes it's childproof. Okay. You remove the backing. Okay. You're going to put that in there, face down again. You're going to try to make sure that these little holes are lined up with where the post used to be. That just makes sure, for the most part, you're going to make sure that that LED is in that square hole. That is the main thing. Everything else should line up accordingly after that. Now we repeat the steps, putting it back together and going in and reinstalling it back into Beastie. And just like that, they are installed and they are definitely a lot brighter. So, as always, I love that fade to black. As always, I am Stew. Like and subscribe to my channel. Tell somebody about it. And make sure they like and subscribe. All right. Have a great day. I'm going to set. Going to work.